As the special intensive revision exercise is underway in West Bengal, the political war of words is escalating after Mamata Banerjee. Now BJP has knocked the door of the Election Commission. A leader of opposition in West Bengal, Suvendu Adhikari, has written a letter to Chief Election Commissioner countering West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. In his letter, Suvendu Adhikari says, and I quote, "It is a blatant assault on democratic principles, systematic fraud under TMC regime," and he claims that TMC's rotten underbelly has been exposed, and hence that's why Mamata Banerjee wants to stop the SIR exercise in West Bengal. Remember, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has also asked the EC to stop the SIR exercise, calling it unplanned, chaotic and dangerous. My colleague Shreyoshi Day is also joining me with more details. Shreyoshi, what exactly and how is the CEC looking at both the claims and counterclaims?
Well, this political development comes at a time when the Deputy Chief of the Election Commission is in West Bengal. He is visiting the districts where the SIR exercise is already underway. Today, the Chief Minister has written to the Election Commissioner of India asking him to stall this SIR process which is underway across the state of West Bengal, and asking him to reconsider the timeline of this entire process, because the BLOs, the booth level officers who are conducting this door-to-door exercise, is under tremendous pressure. Her letter to the Chief Election Commissioner comes at a time when a BLO has allegedly committed suicide due to work stress in Jalpaiguri district in West Bengal. But the BJP has hit back at the Trinamool Congress and the Chief Minister of West Bengal. The leader of the opposition, Suvendu Adhikari, has given a point-by-point rebuttal to the letter that was written by the Chief Minister earlier to Ganesh Kumar, and in it he has said that this is the tactic that is being used by the Trinamool Congress to actually save their vote bank, and he's also cited reports of alleged illegal Bangladeshi migrants who have flocked towards the border to go back to the country that they have come from. And this entire political war of words is unfolding on the sideline, but at the same time the entire process is still being conducted on ground. The enumeration forms have already been circulated across the state, and the collection of those enumeration forms has also begun, and the draft list is going to be coming out on the 6th of December.
Right, thank you so much, Shreyoshi, for joining us with that political debate that will continue to go on as the SIR exercise is one of the most challenging parts.